In today's video, either you're off your face or this Nissan Stagea is. I'm going to tell you all about it and also explain the high tension connection.
That's right, coming at you, my man Dan, the Australian in Japan, bringing you them classic autos from across the sea, showing them to you and me, cars that would never be seen again, rusted up, tell a friend, cars that no one gives a damn, except the Wasabi Dan, and then it's seen again, and what do you know, coming at you live in another WasabiCars video. Teaching in school and YouTube too, spotting them guys is what he'll do, keep on watching till the end.
G'day everyone, thanks for dropping by for another WasabiCars video. Hope you're all doing well, and a big thank you to everyone who used the G610 discount code in the store for clothing. I cannot thank you enough for the support, and to everyone else, if you wish, there's like 2 or 3 days to go on that, so jump on it if you're not a nudist. Now, today's car is long gone, which is sad to say, but I would see it as I was leaving my local shopping centre, and it was great to see because, what can I say, people? I don't see too many interesting cars in the wild. In and around car shows is a completely different story, but at a supermarket, you're really not seeing much at all. If I were to put myself on the spot this second, how about this Toyota Corolla? Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. But it's a very rare occurrence. Now, you would have seen the drifting earlier on, so I just want you to know that I'm going to be jumping around a little bit with this one. So where do we start? Well, we'll start with, I believe the car is a 2002 Nissan Stagea 250RS-FOUR, the chassis designation NM35, and I believe that this is the very one that I saw in this Kids Heart Group video. Is it the same car? Look, I don't know for certain, but let's just say it is. Moving on. So now it's sitting in a car park with the high tension sticker on it. I get in touch with Tani Koichi of High Tension being a garage in Fukuoka City that specializes in drift cars. In fact, Tani-san, he's a D1 Lights driver. He's all over the place. You know, he can't drive straight to save his life. And I know that for sure because I rode shotgun with the fella at Tenzan in Saga Prefecture. That was absolutely wild. In front of us, Nomura Keiichi, son of Nomu Ken, the legend himself. Just incredible stuff, people. And at the risk of getting a bit meta here, it's so great that I documented that video previously because like 10, 20, 30, 40 years from now I'll be able to look at that and see what I did in my life. And finally, we're at the part of the video where I actually talk about the car. I know that must be exciting for you all, though I did really enjoy that drifty bit. It took me back. Now, you're looking at a car that is quite a bit wider than the original Stagea. I didn't bust out the tape measure. There are limits to what a guy can do in a car park without drawing suspicion. But I did also see that Japanese language video and they were saying it's like 15 centimeters wider near the headlights. And it's certainly got body panels that have been widened all the way down this thing. So it's a wide beast. So how's my commitment to stalking people day and night? Impressive, hey. Now, this kit, like what you're looking at, is a mixture of original R35 GT-R and custom body kit parts. The original bits, the headlights, the bonnet ducts, actual GT-R option carbon ducts. Then your custom bits, you got your front fender, which is fiberglass, and also that front lip. Now, I'd like to know myself how they've constructed these doors, but they've got a fiberglass panel and they've just attached that to the existing door panel, so nothing sort of cut out there, just sort of added on, widened. And then the rear fenders are indeed widened from the hip down. The pillars are the original ones. We are not done yet, but I just got to jump in here with a quick word about the project car, the Autozam Carol, the Mitsuoka Ray project. It's continuing. I'm recording, I'm editing videos. I'm getting great reactions from the very few people who have gotten to see it. The reality is that we're just not going to go live with it until we've got several videos edited up in the can, as they say. So please do consider subscribing to the Super Duck Ahiru Shokai channel. Ring the bell for notifications because we're going to launch hard later in the year. Please get on that. And the last thing to do is to show you the rear of the car because it truly is pleasing. I wish I could show you it square on, but I'm hiding that number plate pretty skillfully, just between you and me. but a beautifully sculpted rear end. I will say that the right side muffler exhaust, not connected. It's there for looks. You know, we've all done it. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this video, and if you have any thoughts, comments, questions, queries, theories, drop it in the comment section. I'll happily read those and get to as many as I can. And with that, we're done, so thanks so much, and I'll be back next Saturday. Take it easy, and goodbye.